Hey everyone, Sunil here from Clean. Hope you can see this. I'm on a roof cleaning panels. These panels haven't been cleaned in a very long time. Solar panels actually, according to the manufacturer, need to be cleaned at least once a year. And if you're on a dirt road or a dusty area, I'll probably say twice a year, but we can advise you on that when we see the location of your panels. It's worth getting them cleaned, especially if you're on a good rate with by the kilowatt. It's really worth it, and at the end of the day, why spend the money installing them if you're then going to just forget about them and never actually have them cleaned, in which case when they get dirty and dusty, they don't absorb energy, which means you're then not getting your return on investment on the panels. So it's kind of a lose-lose scenario. And we're using a very soft brush here on the panels with water, and we're just rinsing them off. Hope that's useful. Thanks folks, bye for now.